Good morning. This is Nick Lutkins with the Lutkins Group of Compass here at Ridgetop Coffee in the parking lot in Sterling, and we are actually hosting a knife sharpening event this morning for our clients and friends. We have a really cool partner here, the Roaming Stone, and they basically do mobile knife sharpening. Very cool. We had ours done and it really makes quite a difference. So I'm going to introduce Sam here. Sam is with the Roaming Stone, and he's going to show you a really cool trick right before the holidays of how to really sharpen up and hone your knives to carve through that turkey. So let's switch you over here, and here is Sam.
Good morning,
Sam.
all. So I'm going to give you a quick lesson on how to use a honing steel. Everybody probably has one of these in your knife drawer and probably don't use it often enough. The trick to this is using it. Everybody gets wound up about having the perfect angle and all, but the important part is to use the steel. So a quick lesson: when you get your knives back on a microscopic level, your edges are going to look like this. The first time you use it, again on a microscopic level, it's going to look like this and this and this as you proceed. So the trick to a honing steel is use it and re-straighten that edge, and that's all we're trying to do here. So the angle, if you could get it perfect every time, would be important, but it's more important to use your steel. So all you got to do is make sure you're getting this leading edge, and it only takes a few passes on each edge every time or every other time you use the knife, and it'll stay sharp for a long time. Some people go this way, some people go away from themselves, and if I may, Nick, some people prefer to put it on their cutting board and do it this way. And really, that's all there is to it. Just use that steel, touch the edge, and it'll get much sharper and stay much sharper for a long time. Thank you. This is the Roaming Stone. Sharpen kitchen knives, garden tools, axes, mower blades. Book online at roamingstone.net.
Great. Well, thank you, Sam. I really appreciate that, and I think that's a great tip for everybody. So enjoy your day.